to fix Microsoft Office. Something went wrong. Error. Tag 7Q6CH. And if your apps won't open, this video will solve it. Are you facing the problem where Office shows this error when launching Word, Excel, or other apps, even after restarting or reinstalling? This usually happens because of corrupted Office files, broken registry entries, or account authentication conflicts that block proper app initialization. Most solutions on YouTube or social media are long, confusing, and full of steps that are hard to follow and often fail. That is why Rexis is sharing a secret easy trick that quickly fixes a tag 7Q6CH error and lets Microsoft Office run normally again. This simple method works fast, stays safe, and ensures you can open and use Office apps without interruptions. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to fix something went wrong, error, tag 7Q6CH in Microsoft Office, comment below and tell Rexis, and you can finally use your Office apps without errors.